In this lesson, we are going to use the assembly you see on the screen and check the clearance between different parts. Now, if you would like to work along with me, go into your Working Files folder and open the assembly named Linkage Arm Assembly. Now, before we check the clearance, let's see if any of these parts are free to move. When I try to move the 3-hole plate, I receive a message stating it's fully defined. And we'll see the same is true for the 5-hole plate. So we need to expand the mates and see which mates we need to suppress in order to get the 3-hole plates moving. Now I have quite the list of mates on this small assembly here. So instead of sorting through every one of them, you can select the 3-hole plate, pop-up menu appears, and notice we have an icon for View Mates. As soon as I select View Mates, I will see the angle 2 mate is the one that I want to suppress. So I'm going to suppress it, close out of it, and now we'll see the 3-hole plates are free to move. Let's check the clearance between the 3-hole plate and this bottom component called base plate. So I am going to go to Move Component. The Property Manager opens, and notice about halfway down the Property Manager, I have an option for dynamic clearance. I am going to select the checkbox, the window opens, and in the window, it's prompting me for components. Now it's important that you know that you cannot select lines, edges, faces. This is only for components. So I'm going to activate the window, go out to the graphics area, select the 3-hole plate and the base plate. I'll resume the drag, and as I move the 3-hole plate, you get a real-time feedback in the graphics area. And if we look at the Property Manager, in the brackets we see the minimum clearance between the 3-hole plate and the base plate. So that gives you an idea of how the dynamic clearance option works in SolidWorks. Now let's move on and test your skills for building this assembly.